Today, I'm going to talk about Flipgrid to create a digital community. Flipgrid is a program, it is free for educators where students and teachers, instead of writing back and forth using written text, they actually record themselves, video and audio, responding to one another. There's a few aspects that are really nice about it. The teacher does get the option to monitor what videos the students get up, so you don't have to worry about people saying inappropriate things or picking on one another. Um, but once you get in, this is the very first screen. It takes you to My Grids right here. And then at the very, if you scroll down a little bit, I have two open already. We have Objective Summary and we have Our Classroom. I'll go into Our Classroom and I've already made a couple. Now these are just examples. I don't have students on here, so we don't have to worry about that. But finding theme in your world. So at the very top, you can see on the left right here, if I hit play, you will not hear this, you will just see it. Um, it begins, I'm explaining what the instructions to the assignment are. And then I also have over here on the right, using what we've discussed in class, find a theme in a song, movie, comic, commercial, etc., that you see when you're out of school. Pay attention to the world around you and also the world within your phone. Then down here, I posed as a student and I created a response down here. Now, students would then be able to go in, view this, and then they would have the ability to respond to it. You do have options on here. They can edit mixtapes is another option that they have. They can download a video, duplicate response, move the response. They can spark the response, which what Spark Response does is sparking this video will create a topic using the student's topic or the student's video as a topic resource. So it creates a brand new topic, which could create a side discussion um, for the students to use and to respond to. Other things that they do have the mixtape, which I have not used yet, but is a place to showcase videos from your topics, create a mixtape, add videos to share with the world. And then they have the disco library, where this is other people who have posted. And so you can get ideas, you can, and it gives you ways to use it and ideas that would then spark discussions. You can track your activity, which is nice because it tells you everything that's going. I mean, I haven't used it in the classroom yet. I plan to use it either this week or next week because I've been kind of working up to this point. So I've only had 1 minute and 20 seconds of interaction so far, but it gives you a graph. It gives you everything else that you might need to see. Um, Going back to my grids, it can be incorporated. It can be incorporated with Canvas. If you go over here to your profile and hit integrations, it will integrate with Canvas. It also integrates with Google Classroom, which is what we use. I do like this program because it gives students the opportunity to engage in a discussion where they're not face to face. So the students that don't want to say anything because their friends are around um, will possibly be more inclined to respond using this technology. It's the world that they live in. We are in the YouTube generation. And so these students all watch YouTube, and a lot of them create their own YouTube videos. So it's something they're very comfortable with. It removes the hindrance of having to have written text, either reading it in comprehension or creating it to deliver information. It is engaging. Students do like it. I've talked to my students about it, about how the fact we're going to do this, and 80 to 90% of them are excited. We do have the shy students, but if we can kind of do this, pull them out of their bubble, I like this better than making them stand up in front of the entire class. Um, so I hope you guys are willing to give Flipgrid a try, and thank you.